Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the GRACO Duodyner DLX 6-in-1 high chair. Let's open it up. There are a total of 6 pieces. This is the seat or booster. We'll attach it to the chair later. Let's start connecting them together. First, we want to connect the footrest to the booster chair. You need to push it in like this. Then, we'll need to use the screws that came with the package and put them here. 2 on this side and 2 on this other side. You'll need a screwdriver to screw them in. So now we have all 4 screws in there. This is how it looks from the front. This is the bottom part of the footrest. Hook it in the bottom slot and push it down to lock it in. Next, we are going to attach the booster seat to the stand of the chair. You'll just need to face the booster seat forward like this and slide it in until it snaps. This means that they are now connected. You can test by pulling the booster seat up to see if it comes out. If not, then it is connected correctly. Next, unbuckle the straps and move them away like this. Here is the part of the chair with the seat pad. We are going to attach it to the booster seat. You can see the 2 metal parts right here. They should go into the 2 holes in the booster seat right here, and one on the other side. To get them in, you need to pull the button and slide it down until it snaps in. I think it just snapped in. We can check by pulling it out. If they are connected, then the top doesn't come off. I think it just Next, we need to put the 2 bottom straps through the 2 slots down here to bring them to the front. And the bottom strap goes here. This is a table and a separate tray, so it is easy to clean up. It has a cup holder here, perfect for your baby's sippy cup. To put the table on, you want to pull the tabs on both sides like this and put it on the chair until it clicks. Sometimes you may not hear the click sounds, so make sure to check and see if the table is connected to the chair on both sides. To remove the table, you just need to pull the tabs on both sides. I'm going to show you how to remove a seat pad on a GRACO High Chair. Let's remove the seat pad. First, you want to remove the top of the seat pad by putting it over the front of the seat. Next, pulling the pad forward to remove the two top straps. For the two lower straps, they don't come off easily. So you want to find the tip of the strap and feed it through the slot of the pad. Do the same thing with the other strap. And there, you have two lower straps removed. Next, pull the pad to disconnect the connectors on both sides. Down here, we have two little straps connecting the pad to the seat. To disconnect them, you'll need to yank the pad forward hard enough for each of the straps to come off. Next, the crotch strap can just come off easily when you pull the pad forward. For the last two connectors, you need to pull and hold the tab on the sides up. Then lift the seat up so you can pull the connectors out. Do the same thing with the other side. There, you have the seat pad removed from the high chair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.